Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This one is the Best of Beauty Box, which is not to be confused with that Mega Beauty Bundle one that we did not too long ago. So this one comes with a little carded thing. Alright, this limited edition Best of Beauty Box, $210 plus in value. There's never been a better time to love beauty or a more overwhelming one. Yeah, I hear that. It feels like a billion give or take new products arrive on the scene daily. And how do you know the best among the billions? At Allure, we have it down to a science of swatching and slathering in so many spreadsheets. We all have postdoctoral degrees in both eyeliner and Excel. Every year since 1996, back when maybe only 100 new products arrived on the scene every day, we've tasked ourselves with cutting through the clutter and confusion to lead you to the products that deliver. Best of Beauty winners don't just do what they say they'll do, they do it better than anything else. By the time we wrap up our months-long testing process each year, the winners feel like part of our family. But I will be honest, we all play favorites, and that's what you're getting in this limited edition box. Some of our all-time favorite Best of Beauty winners. Let's call the best of the Best of Beauty a YSL Beauty liquid lipstick that won't quit or crack, a rosy tinted Biossance eye cream that appears to brighten on the spot and meets Allure's clean standard, and the Lancome mascara that I've personally been reaching for to get lithe, silky lashes since its first win in 2002. As we celebrate Best of Beauty's 25th year, consider this box our birthday gift to you, the curious, committed, joyful beauty lovers who inspire our work every day. You are one in a billion. I didn't realize Allure started when I was like 11. Which means that their magazines started around the time I started buying beauty magazines. Wow. I've kind of, in a roundabout way, been with them almost all along. That's crazy to me. But anyway. So first thing in there, because it's right on top and is big, is by Skin Fix. And this is the Eczema Plus Hand Repair Cream. Clinically proven to help treat eczema and dry, cracked skin on hands and improve skin moisturization by 111%. Not 110, 111 specifically. 1% colloidal oatmeal, 5% sweet almond oil. Tested and recommended by unbiased derms. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, 3 fluid ounces. Free from steroids, antibiotics, fragrance, parabens, formaldehyde, phthalates, silicones, lanolin, propylene glycol, PEGs, and gluten. Allergy tested and pH balanced. Well, that sounds absolutely lovely, so I'm going to keep that nearby. Haven't had a flare-up in a bit, but when I do, I'm ready. And we have the Biossance Squalane and Marine Algae Eye Cream. It visibly firms and instantly smooths. This is a hefty little guy, too. Rich and hydrating, instantly and visibly firms and reduces the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Gently dab around the eye area with fingertip morning and night. Oh, there's a little teeny tiny itty bitty booklet. And that's, for an eye cream, that's not a bad size, my dudes. That's a lot more than I'm used to getting in one that I get from like a beauty box. Holy shit. Alright. Love to see that. Then we've got, from Youth to the People, the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream with kale and spinach hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this I've been looking forward to, because I have seen this popping up literally everywhere lately. And again, another little booklet tucked away inside. Alright, hefty glass bottle. Again, love to see that. And then on the thing, it reads, which side should we start with? 100% vegan ingredients, no animal testing, made in California, cold-pressed extracts, all skin types. Next generation moisturizer. Get ready for superfood moisture with our lightweight, multifunction, antioxidant-rich moisture cream. Apply to face and neck 1 or 2 times a day. True beauty is in unity. The beauty of standing together as one to protect our planet and our voice. Let's recycle and repurpose. Again, love it. So from Lancome Paris, we have the Definicils High Definition Mascara. The ultimate in separation. Ooh. 91% said the mascara feels lightweight on the lashes, 77% said the makeup results in is natural, and 73% saw visible lash lengthening. So high def, lengthening, and separating. Oh, alright. That's pretty good. And it's full size too, so alright. Ooh, and it's a square. Wow. Alright. So it won't even roll off your counter and shit. Love it. Loving all of this. Then from Yves Saint Laurent, we've got Tatouage Couture Velvet Cream, a velvet matte stain. I have to assume it's a lip product. Yeah, it's a lipstick. In Rouge Rebel. Ooh, loving that name. The first velvet matte lip stain by YSL. Highly pigmented cushion comfort, velvet matte color, and high coverage, high precision. What kind of color is it with a name like Rouge Rebel? Ooh! Ooh, look at that. That is perfect for this time of year. It also matches my hair, like, perfect. Wow, that is, like, uncannily spot on. That's just a little added bonus that it's so spot on. I'm hoping that it won't be too much being that spot on, where, like, when my hair was still a brown, like, I would use a lip color that was about the same color and it looked like too much. I'm hoping that won't be the case here. But because it's a red, I want to believe it'll be different. And finally, the last thing in the box, we've got a Benefit Gimme Brow Plus Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Then Skimpy Brows, fuller looking now. In... Does it have a color? I don't know. Well, they show it going from this to that. So, I mean... Ooh. Come here, you. Doesn't show a color name. Just kind of ticking me off. I don't really want to open this before I'm ready to use it, but I'm gonna have to just to see it. Okay, so it's like about my natural color. It's like a very taupey kind of brown. I think even with the red hair, it'll be fine, because I mean, I didn't color my brows. I was never expecting them to match. So I will continue to do my brows as I have always done my brows. They can be brown because I don't think we're gonna find in a brow pencil or gel or anything this color, because this color does not appear in nature. So I don't know what I'm expecting. And ooh, my roots, I need to do them again. So yeah, I'm sure this will be fine. But I feel like I have that already from somewhere at least once over, if not 2 or 3 times over. So not sure when I'll get around to using that, seeing as I was clearly so wonderful with using them the last times I received them, but at least I have them for if I should want to, which is always nice. I don't know, I'm so hesitant about the idea of brow gel versus like a powder or a pencil, where I feel like I have more control over the intensity, whereas a gel, it's like slap bang, it's there with its full intensity, whether you like it or not, that's what you're gonna get. And as somebody with kind of thinned out outer edges on my brows, it's really noticeable if it goes from that to bam, painted on looking, and it's kind of jarring in my opinion. So like I said, that's why I've kind of stayed away from gels, but I have it, I may as well play with it. So anyway, but that was the last thing in the box, so hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, see ya.